Now welcome you all. Now in the previous video lecture we have seen the example of modified duobinary encoder without precoder, and in that we have seen that the error will goes on propagating, and that's why we must use a precoder at encoder of this modified duobinary encoder. Now let's see this modified duobinary encoder. Binary encoder with precoder. Modified duobinary encoder with precoder. Now let's see the block diagram of this. So we are having input binary digits, sequence that is denoted as BK. Now this is applied to one of the input of XOR gate, and we are having a delay line filter with a delay element of twice TB. So this is the delay element with a period twice TB, and it is applied to another input of an XOR gate. And over here we are getting a sequence that is DK, and here this is nothing but DK minus 2. Now after that it is applied to a level shifter, and after the level shifting we are getting a sequence that is AK, and then it is applied to a duobinary modified duobinary system. This is a delay of 2 TB. This is applied over here, so it becomes AK minus 2. Okay, it becomes AK minus 2, and this is nothing but a output encoder output CK. Okay, now here CK is nothing but, we can write CK becomes equals to, here this is plus and this is minus, CK becomes equals to AK minus 2, where we can write DK as, okay, DK can be calculated as DK becomes equals to BK XOR with DK minus 2, and AK becomes equals to plus 1 if DK becomes equals to 1, and AK becomes equals to minus 1 if DK becomes equals to 0. Okay, so this is the formulas of this modified duobinary encoder with the precoder. This is an output of modified duobinary encoder. This is nothing but the output of a decoder, and this is a polar representation of this sequence. Now this is an encoder block diagram. Now let's see a decoder block diagram. So at a receiver side we are have received a sequence, suppose CK. Now it is passed through a rectifier. Now this rectifier will convert it into a magnitude, that is mod of CK, and then using a decision device with threshold, and that threshold will be equals to 1. Now depending on that we are getting output of this, the BK becomes equals to 1 if a mod of CK will be greater than 1, and BK becomes equals to 0 if mod of CK will be less than 1. So this is a decoder of this modified DO binary encoder, and this is an encoder.